Hey, what's up? You're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about a new Full HD projector from OKCOO company. This is 2020 upgraded video projector with 6500 lux brightness, HiFi stereo sound, advanced cooling system, and up to 200 inches screen. The price of the new projector is about $180 on Amazon. As usual, let's start with unboxing and then look at design, watch some videos and play games on the new OKCOO projector. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. So the new projector from OKCOO comes in this box. You can read the main features and specifications on the box. Inside you will find projector itself, power cable, remote control, 3-in-1 AV cable, user manual, HDMI cable, and screws. You can use different tripods with this projector, but you have to buy them additionally. Okay, now let's look at projector closer. As you can see, it is not a compact projector. The dimensions are 31 by 25 by 11 centimeters. The weight is 2678 grams. Also, it doesn't have built-in battery, so it is better to buy tripod or ceiling mount and use it in the same place, like the living room in your house or conference hall in the office. However, if you want, you can move the projector from one room to another. It is not heavy at all. OKCOO new projector is available in a single gray color. There is lens and company logo on the front side. Also, you can see IR receiver to the right of the lens. On the top, we can see focus and keystone wheels, as well as control panel. There is power button, OK, left, right, up and down, menu, source, and the second IR receiver for remote control. The speaker is on the left side, next to the cooling grills. The cold air comes in on the left side and warm air comes out on the right. By the way, the new OKCOO projector has advanced cooling system, but we will talk about it a little later. All the ports and connectors are on the back, such as 2 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, AV, VGA, audio-video ports, and power connector. The projector stands on the 4 rubber feet. You can also use the kickstand to raise the front of projector. There is also a remote control in the package. It has almost the same functions as a remote control on projector itself, for example, source, menu, play, pause, etc. That's all about design of OKCOO 2020 upgraded projector. Before we start watching the video, let me tell you about the main features of this projector. As I already said, OKCOO 2020 upgraded projector has Full HD 1080p native resolution. The brightness is 6500 lux and contrast is 6000 by 1. The projector size is from 45 to 200 inches. The distance from the wall should be at least 1.1 meters or 3.7 feet. The maximum distance is 6 meters or 19.7 feet. The aspect ratio is 4:3 or 16:9. The projector is equipped with LED lamp and its lifetime is 78,000 hours. Okay, I think we can turn on the projector now. OKCOO projector doesn't have its own operating system, so you have to connect external device, for example, smartphone, TV box, game console, or just USB flash drive. You can connect multiple devices and select the source from the menu. The main menu has 4 sections: movie, music, photo, and text. The projector also has a settings menu. The options are the same as on other projectors that I have tested, such as picture mode, temperature, aspect ratio, reduce display, sound mode, time settings, and general settings, such as language, restore factory default, and others. Now I want to check the projector noise level during operation as well as speaker volume. As you can see, the noise level is about 34 decibels. The maximum speaker volume is 77 decibels. Okay, let's watch some videos and play games.
This is an extraction.
So it applies.
Biggest drug lord in India versus biggest drug lord in Bangladesh.
Some mythic shit, huh?
It's a kidnapping. Drug lord's son. Clock swinging at
You call with them, have a drink maybe. You know, sometimes you have to service.
No, I came here to be a movie star. I want to take the story of Hollywood and give it a rewrite.
Retreat. No-brainer text her now. She said yes! Aloha, motherfucker, I tell you! Yeah!
I've got this girl meeting here, and she's amazing.
Watch the bank, San Antonio, +10, +10. Watch the bank tonight. Lumens tries to close his way by the minute.
What?
Gets it to go.
I tell you what, this year on Snapshot, you're a big fan.
Hoping for him to get going a little bit more tonight, but he is having a much easier time figuring out there's exact profile team like this before he had no.
Now we're going to make a quick getaway.
OKCOO 2020 Upgraded Projector has 1080p native resolution and 6000 by 1 contrast, so the projection is very good. I cannot see the pixels even at close distance. The colors are saturated and deep. 6500 lux brightness allows to use the projector in light room. It is important if you are looking at a projector for office, college or school. The built-in speaker is also good and very loud. From other side, the projector is quite noisy. However, it is not a problem when you are watching movie or playing games. I like that projector supports connections of various devices, including smartphones, laptops, game consoles, etc. For $180, this is very good projector. If you also like it, I will leave the link to Amazon in description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.